It's like out of all these people in our world and in our life, I don't want to be like Joe Biden. I don't want to be like Trump. I don't want to be like Kamala. I don't want to be like LeBron James. I don't want to. The only person, the only character or figure, influence is Jesus. The only person I can think of out of all these trippy ass weird celebrities and politicians and wacky people, I want to be more like Jesus. He represents good, love, understanding, doing the hard thing because it's probably the right thing. I think Jesus is probably the one mascot for love and change and strength, growth. Everyone else is just kind of gay.